Let's do some embroidery in Photoshop. So follow along if you want to see the brushes that I use to create this abstract embroidered iris in Photoshop. A crusty Wacom tablet that is uncleaned and crystals are optional. So I started off with, this is brush 100, which is a nice kind of chain stitch sort of vibe. And then the next brush that I use is brush 79 in a light purple. And this is just kind of like a solid thread sort of stitch. And then this is brush 125. We are going fast here. We got brush 90. And then that's just like a nice classic stitch brush. And let's see what's next. This is brush 65, which is a different kind of like chain stitch. And yeah, I go over all this in my tutorial. What else do we got here? Yeah, me redoing my stitches, because why not? And what else? Then we have brush 144, which I kind of like because it's like a machine embroidery. And I will let you see the tutorial for the rest of the brushes because I'm running out of breath here, but they are super cool. And if you are a Behance subscriber, you can actually download my source files and the loaded brushes for this project. So that's super fun. And you can even use it in your own projects. And then, but also you can get the embroidery brushes on my website. And here we're just zooming in to see a little bit of the detail. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions, but it's a little abstract, but I like how it turned out. So visit Creators Couture for all my game-changing Photoshop brushes that have been featured on Adobe Creative Cloud, Behance, Patreon, and more. Make sure you sign up for my weekly newsletter because I totally take care of my newsletter friends with exclusive discounts and freebies. And I'm also a featured live streamer on Behance, so you can check out my website for this week's live streaming schedule. And just let me know in the comments if you have any questions of any kind, and I'm happy to help you.